Oh my gosh, yes. That was one of the missions.
Like, it's that secret one.
Yeah.
Like artifice or something? No.
Okay. Big bowl.
Big bowl.
Let's see.
Big bowl.
If we find a tea kettle, I'm running away from you.
You know, if you want to just restart, make Texas.
Did you? Where are you going?
I'm just checking it out, man.
I never thought you would be brave enough to not sleep with me.
I'm gonna be honest, it creates funny moments, so like...
Yeah, that's true.
Oh god, okay, I think I can't escape it. I thought I saw an air horn. I think I'm going crazy. This is bad. It's getting bad.
Door over here. Where are you? Where are you?
Oh, no way.
What? What'd you find?
I found Rubik's Cube, an egg beater, and the thingy.
And Appy.
Look, I got a Rubik's Cube.
Come over here, I found a door.
That'll be me when I go inside of any
Do
room,
not!
baby.
Recording, dude. We ain't trying to have cringe.
That's crazy.
You gotta cut that part out.
How far away were you? Are you just find a door? I don't like this. Oh god. And there's a tea kettle in front of it.
Oh no! Why? Oh my gosh! No. There's bottles down here. I'm grabbing those and I'm heading. I'm gonna. What? I know. I'm gonna grab you. I'm gonna grab the stuff. I'm sorry. Sorry. How do you see me from there? Okay. I can't grab that stuff. I'm just gonna need to explore. Going again. That's a stop sign. I feel safe again. For a little bit of time. Sorrows. I've only heard a little bit of it. There's nothing over here. Stop this. Okay. Do you think I can kill the turret? Is that a thing you can do? Ew, I hear something. Oh my gosh. We're about to box, me and this guy. I feel like you can disable them. Because I feel like I've hit one with a stop sign before and it got to... I'm gonna kill you!
Oh, that's fine. You can't do that.
No, I swear I've done it before. I swear I've done it before.
No, I think somebody else was in the ship disabling the turret.